from a balloon vertically above the straight road. The angle of depression of two cars at an instant are found to be 45 and 60 degree. If the cars are 100 meters apart, find the height of the balloon. Again, all we have to do is draw a diagram as per this. Okay, and keep in mind the horizontal line, line of sight, angle of depression, and not to make this mistake. Okay, if you can keep all of this in mind, you're pretty much done with the diagram. So please pause and try it. So what we have here is a road, and at a particular height we have a person. So the point of observation here is here. Okay, maybe I'll reduce this a bit. We need 45 degree, right? Okay. No, I can do that. 60 will be nearer. Not an issue. So he's observing what? Two cars. One is making an angle of 45 degree. So basically this length will be equal to this length. So a bit forward, I guess. Yeah, that looks like 45 degree. And another at an angle of 60 degree. And the distance between them is 100 meters. So quite a few questions has been done similar to this. All we have to do here is draw a good diagram. This is your horizontal line. These are your line of sight. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is first car is at an angle of 45 degree, and the other car will be over here. This angle is how much? 60 degree. Okay, since this is at a height of h, the 45 degree aspect also will become h. So this is also 45 degree, and this is 60 degree, as these two lines are parallel. These two angles are alternative interior angles. Okay guys, so let's label them. This is our A, B, C and D. Okay guys, so this is your diagram. That's it. That's pretty much done. This is 100 meters. This also, this entire length will be 100 meters. So this will be 100 minus h. That's what we'll get with the calculation, but let me not rush to that. Okay, so first there are a few things that we need to write. So we'll tell angle CAD is also equal to 45 degree, right? As we'll call this as M. Reason being DM is parallel to the ground CA, and they are alternative interior angles. Okay, and similarly we have angle MDB, which is equal to angle DBC, which is equal to 60 degree. The same reasoning, so you don't need to write anything. That we need to make clear, and only then we can start working. In triangle, we'll start off with DCB. Okay, so what do we have? Tan of theta is what we are using, opposite by adjacent. So here the opposite is, and adjacent is tan of 60 is equal to, opposite is the height of the tower, height of the balloon, I guess, not tower. So I need to write a statement. Let I'll write it here itself. Let h be the, or let h be the height of the balloon. And then the following statements. Yeah, and this says what? CB, and therefore we have CB is equal to, therefore 1 by root 3 into CB is equal to h. Since we are looking for h, we have to express CB in terms of h. So CB is equal to h by root 3. We can rationalize this or just let it be. So this is h root 3. Okay, yes, h by root 3. Okay, right? Makes sense, is it not? This is shorter than h. And then on to the other triangle. In triangle, what is the triangle? ACD. So we have tan of 45 degree is equal to h divided by this entire length AC. Okay, so this is AC, therefore AC is equal to h. But AC itself is made up of CB plus BA, which is equal to h, and we have, what is CB? H by root 3, and this is 100 is equal to 100. So this is going to be a bit of working. So 100 is equal to h minus h by root of 3. Here the LCM is root 3. So I'll multiply and divide with root 3, and so we'll get 100 is equal to root 3 h minus h divided by root 3, and we have a bit of simplification. 100 root 3 is equal to h times of root 3 minus 1. Again, you can skip quite a few steps. I'm just showing for the sake of, well, showing, that's it. Root 3 minus 1. But this is not the final answer. Why? In the denominator we have a root, and so I'll multiply and divide with a suitable expression so as to negate that. So this is basically, we're going to make use of a minus b into a plus b the whole square, sorry, not whole square, a plus b into a minus b formula, which is a square minus b square. So according to that, we have h is equal to 100 root 3 times of root 3 plus 1. Let me complete this. So this will be root 3 square minus 1, and this entire expression is 2. And so we have 2 1s are 2 50s are. And then we can further expand it and all of that. So this would be 3 minus plus root 3 meters. So 50 times of 3 plus root 3, 150 plus root 3 into 50, so on and so forth. That's okay. All this is okay, right? That would be the height of the balloon.